guys, so welcome back to my channel. So today we have Get My Life Back Together Day. Woohoo! So for me it is Saturday and I already went on a run. As you could see, it was amazing. I finally got my new haircut, which you already could also see, and finally my skin got better. And you know why? Because I use natural botox. Today I can show you my natural botox, but let's go home and let's continue with my beautiful, gorgeous, sweetie, cutie day. So let's go. Aloha, so I'm home, and to clarify you my day, so today what I wanted to do is that I just want to clean my space. I already went out. I don't know if I'll work out today, but my sister told me that we will go take walk to some, not church, but we will go take walk to some abandoned castle, and I'm excited for that because it will be some small change. And guys, recently I've been using my natural botox, and actually I think I could see results. Like, my skin was never so glowy and like clear, but like 3 days ago or 5 days ago I had such a breakout on my chin and here, and also there was big pimple that I popped out last night because I don't know, I'm so sure that this is not from my food. I'm sure that this is not from food that I eat, it's from stress that I have, but that's another thing. And today we need to release all of the stress. And actually my grandma and my aunt, they have name days, so we have little party to celebrate their names. I don't know if is this tradition normal in countries, in different, like in other countries, but here in my country it's normal to celebrate name days. So it's something like birthday but a little bit smaller. And for my auntie I got her chocolate, and for my grandma I got her also chocolate, but you can see that this is more colorful and this is more boring. This is for my auntie because she likes more boring quality stuff, and my grandma, she likes more playful and fun, so I got her those 1, 2, 5 flavor Merci chocolates. And let's vacuum my floors because I did not vacuum them for at least 2 weeks. I know, guys, it's disgusting, but I did not have time because from 5 days a week I come home 3 days at 8 p.m. and then I don't have time for anything, so cleaning was at the end of my to-do list. So today I want to vacuum my floor, so let's go. So for now it's cleaned. I'll clean this later. And also I vacuumed all the floors, cleaned up my bed. You can see it's clean, it's all squeaky clean. Now we are going to eat lunch, so I dressed up like a little bit to be kind of like not elegant, but you know what I mean, polite. So I put this on. This is from Shein. I bought this in 2020 here, and also those pants are from Shein, and I also bought them in 2020. So let's go and let's eat some lunch. So we're at home. Yesterday I made this collagen. It's basically coconut milk with jello and honey. So yeah, I made this because I want to increase my collagen. So let's try it together. It literally has no flavor. It's so jello-y. I'm giving it 5 out of 10 because it's not good or bad. I love the consistency of jello. Like, look at this. Like, guys, I take back my words. It's so nasty. I'm doing this for my joints and my skin. Oh. Guys, so I'm all clean, washed up, and I'm going to use my homemade botox. So it's flax seeds. It's boiled flax seeds. Basically only flax seeds which are in hot water. I did not cook it or boil it. So you basically just put it like this on your face and then it's so good and it functions so good. Like, I'm telling you, this is really, really great.